In this video, you will learn how to activate your PAYCELET after receiving it either via the QR code or via the NFC interface of your smartphone. If you activate your PAYCELET with the QR code you received with the PAYCELET, no NFC is necessary. You can simply scan the QR code that comes with your shipment, and you will automatically be taken to this page. Here, we now click on Continue and enter the email address used when ordering. Next, select the option you want to use to verify yourself. In this case, only the SMS code option is available, so we click on SMS code once, and you will receive an SMS within a few minutes. That's the code we're going to type in here. And tap Continue. If you haven't received the code, you can click on Resend Code here and the code will be sent to you again. This completes the setup. If you have misplaced the activation letter with the QR code, we can of course still connect the PAYCELET, but we need NFC for this. First, download the Fidesmo app from the App Store and open it. Next, click here on Connect. Now you will be prompted to scan your PAYCELET. If you have an iPhone, hold it against the top. If you have an Android device, probably more towards the middle. But here you have to research exactly where your NFC interface is on your Android device. Now click Activate. Next step, let's click on Continue. And we'll enter the email address you used on the order confirmation page. Here you can choose how you want to authenticate. At this point, the only option left for us is to receive an SMS. You will now receive an SMS that you have to type in here. Now let's click Next again. And that's the end of the process.